Okay, here's the fan fully assembled and running on high. It really is whisper quiet. It puts out a real nice amount of air. Remember, this is not an air conditioning unit, so it's only going to put out cold air if it's in a house with air conditioning and the air in the house is cool. And so we'll just knock that out of the park there. Anyway, it's not hard to assemble. You have to put the base together and then attach it to the cylinder. It's easy, no tools required. It does come with the remote. The remote works. You will have to have your batteries for it. I will attach some pictures that I took of the package. It came well packaged, well protected. Don't have any complaints with that. It was on time, delivered when Amazon said that it would be. And it's just a really nice fan. I'll show you the book. Sorry about that, y'all. It's got the operation instructions here on how to operate it. And like I said, I've got this on high, and you can't hear it. See, I'll put it up real close for you. Can you hear that? And it is oscillating. It's very, very quiet. So they are just a little tiny wobbly, but all of these cylinder fans seem to be. It's not bad. I mean, it's on my hearth, and it's as high as the top of my fireplace there, so that kind of gives you an idea how tall it is. I think I'm really going to like this. Enjoy.
On and off button. This button controls the movement. This one controls stop the movement. See. Okay, so that one controls your medium. I mean, that's slow, medium, high. This is your timer, so you can set it up for how long. You want it on. Nighttime mode. Regular mode. It's pretty quiet. That's high.